Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Professional mode allows you to build a public presence as a creator and maintain your personal friends and family experience from one place on Facebook. To turn off professional mode on Facebook, first open your Facebook application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to the home page. Now tap on your profile on the top left corner. With that, here you can see your profile and here you can see your professional dashboard as well. Now tap on three dots on the right side. With that, here you can see your profile settings. Now tap on turn professional mode off option on the last. With that, here you need to review important changes before you turn off your professional mode. Note that you can turn on your professional mode anytime. So now tap on continue option. With that, here you can see what will change and what will stay the same when you turn off the professional mode. Any existing insights will no longer be available for you. You'll receive pending payments but you won't earn money on your profile. You'll no longer have access to professional dashboard. Your profile details will no longer include the date when your profile was created. So now if you agree with the following terms, you can tap on the option of turn off. With that, your professional mode will be successfully turned off. As you can see here, my professional mode has been turned off. This is how we can turn off the professional mode on Facebook. As you can see here, my professional dashboard has been removed from my profile. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.